you guys? The only thing that could make this better is if Damon was here. No way. You don't think that's him, do you?
Have you heard from him recently?
No?
Well, are you going to answer the door? The suspense is too much.
Okay. Wait, how do I look?
Answer the door.
Okay, here I go. Please be Damon. Please be Damon. Please be Damon.
Hey, Cali!
It is not Damon.
Did you miss me? You know what they say, absence makes the heart grow fonder.
Not in this case.
Hey, Nick, is it just you? Or is Damon here too?
Sorry, I haven't seen Damon in a while. We met up in the northern mountains, but then V Hunter almost found us. So we decided to split up, and I ran all the way back here to you, Cali. My one true...
Give it a rest, Nick. Not going to happen.
I hope Damon is okay.
Don't worry, I will give him a call.
I'm sure everything is fine, Summer.
It went straight to voicemail.
Oh no!
Look, don't assume the worst. Besides, Damon knows how to take care of himself.
You're right. I just need to stay busy. So I don't have time to think about V Hunter possibly sending my boyfriend to another dimension and he's never coming back. Let's decorate for the holidays.
What, now?
Yes, now. Nothing like a good old-fashioned holiday distraction.
I can go and get the tree from your grandmother's attic.
No, I want a real tree this year. A great big tree that's all sappy, leaves little pine needles everywhere that I have to vacuum up, and makes the whole apartment smell like a seasonal bathroom potpourri.
And we can wear the ugly Christmas sweaters?
That are really so cute, you don't understand why anyone would ever want to call them ugly?
Yes!
Wow. Well, I still have a final to study for, so I will have to take a rain check.
Great! I can study with you.
You don't even go here, and I study alone.
Cali, you can't leave. We always decorate for the holidays together. It's a happy time.
You better not pout, Summer. I'm telling you why.
Because Santa Claus is coming too?
Oh my gosh, I forgot what you two were like in the same room together.
Fun?
Exciting?
Nauseating. Call me when everything is done. I'm gonna go study and get started on that poll for the award ceremony / gala.
Cali, wait up! So, I guess it is just us.
You don't have to stay. I'll be fine. Wait, what time is it? Oh no! I missed the Karl Moss Designs drop! And the Logan's Locker 718! Worst holiday ever! I'm just gonna lay on the couch and watch cheesy holiday movies and cry into my popcorn!
Now, what kind of friend would I be to leave you like this?
One that doesn't want to get caught up in all my craziness.
Come on, Summer.
No, I want to be miserable.
Not on my watch. We are going to pick out the biggest, sappiest, smelliest tree.
And get ugly sweaters?
The ugliest.
Nothing like a little holiday cheer. Now if I could just get some customers.
Mrs. Knight, thank you for meeting with me. What can I do for you, Octavia?
Oh, I don't want anything.
Just my valuable time.
Oh yeah, sorry, right. I just thought it would be nice if we got to know each other better. I picked out this adorable little place. I think you'll find it charming. Have a seat. We can have a cup of tea and a little chat.
I've been here before. Hello, Caroline.
Miss Knight? Oh, I should have known. Mrs. Knight knows everything.
You're mocking me.
Oh, no. I'm just impressed by your vast knowledge.
Right.
but I think it would still be nice to sit and have a little chat.
Elbows on the table. Look, Octavia, I don't expect much from you. If it wasn't for your father's acute business sense, we wouldn't even be here.
Well, you know, I too am business savvy. And I know I will be a great addition to Knight Enterprises.
And the true reason we are here is revealed. I knew this encounter was more than, let's get to know one another. It is an interview.
No, I just thought, since I will be a part of the family soon, I could play a key role in the company.
Let me make this very clear, Octavia. I did not build this enterprise for anyone other than my son.
But Miss Knight, I assumed that since you were acquiring my father's company, there would be a place for me.
You know what they say about assuming. You must prove yourself. And so far, I am not impressed.
Mrs. Knight, I have many talents.
What? Decorating apartments? Yoga? Or is it yelling at dressmakers?
How did you know that?
Like you so mockingly said, I know all.
I can explain.
I am sure you have your excuses, but we hold our employees to a higher standard at Knight Enterprises. Good day, Octavia.
Oh, well, that didn't go well.
Jack Frost has got nothing on her.
Pick out a tree. Any tree. It's on me.
Thanks for the offer, Nigel, but I can buy my own tree.
Okay, sorry. So, which one would it be?
Don't rush me. We have to look around. We don't want to just grab the first tree we see. Welcome to the Happy Bear Tree Farm.
Oh, wow. That's some costume there.
Summer, it's me, Jazz.
Jazz? I didn't know you were working here.
Yeah, I needed to pick up some extra cash for the holidays. You know how it is. So I got this part-time gig. And I finally got to be what I've always wanted to be.
Which is...
A human teddy bear hybrid.
right.
Wow, so you two kids finally got back together? Is Damon gonna need a shoulder to cry on?
What? No, we're just friends.
Can you show us your best tree here?
Oh, so you want me to work. Okay, I see how it is. This way. This tree here is a Douglas fir. It's the top of the line. We like to call it Doug the Christmas Terminator.
Great. How much?
500. We work on commission, so I try to get the most I can get.
What else you got?
How about this Fraser? I can let it go for $100.
You got anything around 10?
I guess I can give you this one. It fell off the truck and I glued it back together. You can go pay over there. I have to go find some clients with deeper pockets. No offense. Welcome to Happy Bear Tree Farm!
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
It's perfect.
And we have the perfect ugly sweaters.
The ugliest. I'm gonna call Callie, Octavia, and Caroline. Probably even Jazz. And see if they want to come over and watch some holiday movies.
Oh, like a holiday party. Then I can give Octavia this sweater I picked out.
It will be like her initiation into our Holly Jolly Holiday Club. I'm gonna make some calls. That's probably Octavia right there. Nigel, do you mind getting the door? I'm gonna step outside and make these calls. That way you can give her your present.
No problem. Just going to hide the sweater behind my back. Coming! Well, good thing I'm not the jealous type. Damon! What's up, Nigel? It is good to see you. I am glad you are back. Really? Yes, of course. Well, you know, there is no place like home for the holidays. And as much as I enjoyed chatting with you, I came to see Summer.
Oh, yes. She is on the balcony.
Thanks, Nigel. Excuse me.
Wow, this place is so busy. Someone is always knocking on the door. Octavia! Nigel, I figured you were here when I couldn't find you at your apartment. Ever since you and Summer became friends again, you have spent every waking moment together. Don't be cross. I got you a surprise. Ooh, I love surprises, especially shiny ones. A sweater. Yes, try it on. No. And for future reference, a surprise is a diamond necklace. Better yet, stock in your company. Is that all I am to you? Money? I'm sorry, Nigel. I thought this whole arrangement was understood. Your mother. My mother. All business, all the time. I understand why she picked you. You two should get along nicely. Nigel.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, Callie. See you in a minute.
It's freezing out here. I thought Sicarians didn't like the cold.
Damon? Ah! I can't believe you're here.
Hey, Summer.
And for the record, you don't have a problem with the cold when you're a firebender.
Come here. I've had a lot of time to think while we've been apart, and I realized I don't want to be apart ever again. I love you. I always have. And I want us to be together forever.
Forever is kind of impossible, Damon, when you don't age, and I do.
And that is why I have come to ask you, will you become immortal with me?
Like a vampire?
Yes. Will you?
Damon,
To be continued on the next Summer in Cali. Hello, Caroline.
Miss Knight?
Whoops! Oh no! Was that in the script?
No! Honey, are you okay?
Cut! And can we get some ice? I'm okay. Just my ego is bruised.
The bear dance.
Jazz, what are you doing? Wait, are you rolling? Good job, everyone. Enjoy the holiday party. Toya? Yeah, what's up, Sophie? I wanted to talk to you about getting more screen time next year. That looks yummy.
Summer, I heard Toya made it. If I were you, I would stay away. You know she can't cook.
No, Sophie, the show is literally called Summer and Cali. Happy holidays, everyone. See you next year.
Got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen.